National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for northwestern McPherson County in central Kansas, northeastern Rice County in central Kansas, southeastern Ellsworth County in central Kansas, western Saline County in central Kansas, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Geneseo, or 11 miles north of Lyons, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern McPherson, northeastern Rice, southeastern Ellsworth, and western Saline counties, including the following locations: Canopolis Lake, Phelan, and Canopolis State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 near mile marker 79, Interstate 70 near mile marker 242. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.